How to remove audio from videos in CapCut. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily mute any kind of video in CapCut. Let's just open our CapCut first, and we've got this video right here. I've already imported the video, so if I just increase my volume and then play the video, you guys can hear the music, right? So if I just mute this for now, it's quite easy. So you can adjust the volume of your clip or the video. So just go ahead and find the volume button or the audio. And then if you want to add another sound, you could add sounds from here. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mute this entire clip. You can just tap on this mute clip option, or if you just tap on it, you can unmute again. So before I mute this, let me just play it. And now once I mute this and I play it, as you can see, nothing comes out and the video is completely muted. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.